If your PC is booting up slower than it did on the day you bought it, stop blaming your processor. Your expensive SSD isn't broken, it is suffocating. Every time you delete a file, your drive leaves a hidden memory block behind, and right now, those dead blocks are actively throttling your speed. If you try to fix it by clicking the standard Windows Defrag button, you are literally destroying your hardware. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you the hidden terminal command that safely flushes out the trash and snaps your raw read-write speeds back to 100%. Let's get to work. The warning: what not to do. Before we type a single command, you need a massive warning. Do not run a standard disk defragmentation on your SSD. Standard defragging was built for ancient, spinning mechanical hard drives. If you force a traditional defrag on a modern SSD, you aren't fixing it. You are actively destroying it by burning through its limited write cycles. We are going to bypass the standard Windows GUI and use the terminal to force the exact correct operation. Step 1. The baseline benchmark. First, we need to see exactly how badly your drive is choking right now. Right-click your Windows Start button and select Terminal, Admin, or Windows PowerShell, Admin. Type this exact command: WinSat disk, drive C, swap the C if your Windows is installed on a different drive letter, and hit Enter. This takes about 30 seconds. When it finishes, look for the two numbers labeled Sequential 64, K-read, and Sequential 64, K-write. Take a screenshot or write those down. That is your baseline. Step 2. The deep clean command. SSDs slow down because they cannot just overwrite old data. They have to completely erase a memory block before writing new data. If your drive hasn't been maintained, every single file you save takes twice as long. We need to clear those dead blocks. In that same terminal window, type this command, defrag/oc, and hit Enter. The /o flag is the secret here. It tells Windows to detect your specific hardware and apply the correct optimization. Because it sees an SSD, it will not run a destructive defrag. Instead, it executes a deep trim command. This instantly flushes out all the stale memory pages and frees up clean write space. Step 3. The verification. Once that finishes, run the WinSat disk. Drive C command one more time. Compare your new read and write numbers to your baseline. If you have an older SATA SSD that has been neglected, you are likely looking at a massive 20% to 35% jump in raw write speed. If the numbers are the same, congratulations! Your drive is healthy and was already running at peak efficiency. Step 4. The automation fix. Now, let's make sure you never have to do this manually again. Open your Windows. Start menu, search for defragment and optimize drives, and open the app. Find your SSD in the list. Look at the bottom where it says Scheduled Optimization. If that status says off, click Change Settings and turn it on. Windows will now run trim automatically in the background, keeping your drive lightning fast with zero effort. But listen, boosting your SSD's hardware speed means absolutely nothing if Windows 11 is actively choking your processor and RAM with unnecessary background processes. Right now, hidden telemetry services and bloatware are running silently on your machine, dragging your entire system to a halt. Click the video on your screen right now titled How to Speed Up Windows Instantly by Disabling These 7 Services. I am going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process to safely kill these useless background tasks and instantly snap your PC's performance back to life. Click right there to optimize your operating system. Make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you over in that video. Drop your before and after write speeds in the comments below. I want to see the actual numbers you recovered today. If this tutorial saved your drive, press that like button to push this video into the algorithm.